everyone, this is the first market update in 2021. Housing market ended on a high note in 2020, a very challenging year. It has already experienced a very strong start in the new year. In the past 3 weeks, home sales has risen 30% compared to the same time last year. Homes are sold in fewer days and fewer homes are sold under asking price. So it is still a seller's market. The mortgage rate, 30-year fixed rate, has risen briefly, then fell back down to around 2.7%, which is close to the lowest point since Freddie Mac began recording rates in 1970s. And Federal Reserve has already signaled to keep the rates low. So low mortgage rates are expected to stay throughout 2021. Even if the rates start to increase, it might still hover around 3.1 to 3.2%, which is still incredibly low. Looking back at 2020, close to 60% of all homes received multiple offers and stayed on the market for a short period of time, and many of them received more than asking price. And the most competitive part of the market is really between 500,000 to 1 million. So here you can see how the low rates in 2020 keeps home affordable for many people, even though the home price has risen by double digit. As you can see, the monthly mortgage payment stayed similar to 2019, 2017, and essentially the same to 2018, and much lower than 2006, all thanks to the low rates. In this competitive seller's market, buyers having a trustworthy realtor working with you makes a difference. According to the survey of buyers, you can see this is what realtors can help you accomplish during the transaction and before the transaction. If you've been following my market update, you possibly already know the housing market is tight, home price has increased. Besides low mortgage interest rate, are there other measurements can help with the housing affordability? We do have new legislature that take effect in 2021 and can potentially help. One of them is the Senate Bill 1079, Tenant Prospective Owner-Occupant Nonprofit Right of First Refusal to Purchase Property. This bill is related to foreclosure. So after foreclosure, tenant and other parties mentioned in the name of the bill have a 45-day window. Tenants can use that 45 days to come up with a bid that matches the last and highest bid. Prospective owner-occupant who plan to occupy the home as their own residence and nonprofit affordable housing providers have a 45-day window to come up with a bid that exceed the last and highest bid. In addition, this bill prevents bundling several foreclosed homes for sale together. That means each property must be sold as a single sale. This deters larger investors coming to the market, scooping up multiple properties as their investment instead of providing affordable housing. I am also hopeful that there will be more homes hit the market in 2021. The Consumer Housing Sentiment Index conducted in early January showed 59% of the people think it is a good time to sell, up 55% from last month. So the sellers will eventually take actions and put their homes on the market, and buyers, you can have more options. Last but not least, here is where we are home price wise. The single family home median price in LA County is $705,000, in Orange County is $950,000. If you are interested in learning more about how to approach the housing market in the new year and the process of buying or selling a home, I am hosting home buyer workshop and home seller workshop in February. The information is at the end of the video. Have a great day and have a great new year, everyone. I will see you again in the next market update.